If you've been keeping an eye on the rapid advancements in the drone industry, you'll know things are moving at an incredible pace. Just as enthusiasts were still absorbing the buzz around DJI's upcoming Osmo 360 Nano and the Mic 3, a fresh wave of leaks has arrived. This time, the spotlight is on what could easily become DJI's most groundbreaking release of the year, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Yes, it seems DJI is not merely refining its Mini lineup, but is preparing to set a new benchmark. Whether you're passionate about drone flying, a creative professional, or simply someone who enjoys exploring the latest drone technologies, this new development is hard to ignore. Let's explore all the rumored features, the striking design updates, and why this next-gen drone might redefine what's possible in the lightweight drone segment. DJI Mini 5 Pro release timeline. Arriving sooner than we thought. One of the most surprising revelations involves the expected release date. Initially, many within the drone community anticipated a September 2025 launch, following DJI's usual release patterns. However, recent information suggests that this highly awaited drone could arrive even sooner. Sources connected to reliable industry insiders are now pointing to an early August 2025 release, possibly around August 7th. These sources have a proven history of accurate product leaks, which makes this earlier timeline particularly compelling. While the exact date has not been officially confirmed, the consistency of these reports strongly suggests that the launch is just around the corner. This rapid release window could make it one of DJI's fastest product cycles in recent years. A bold new design, the Mini 5 Pro's visual evolution. Leaked images and prototype sightings have revealed several significant changes in the DJI Mini 5 Pro's design. For starters, the camera housing appears much larger, hinting at a major sensor upgrade. A new lens setup and improved stabilization system seem highly likely. More intriguingly, reports indicate the introduction of front-facing LiDAR sensors, a remarkable leap for a drone in the sub-250 grams category. This would bring advanced obstacle detection to a much wider range of users. Additional visual updates include larger, vented motors to boost in-flight power and stability. Initial prototypes displayed one-piece propellers, but subsequent leaks confirmed the continuation of foldable propellers, preserving the convenient portability the Mini series is known for. Oversized propeller guards that not only enhance safety but appear to be intentionally designed to align with FAA Category 1 drone safety standards. This design approach suggests that DJI is aiming for full regulatory compliance, allowing pilots more freedom to fly in areas with stricter drone restrictions. Why Category 1 certification changes the game under current regulations? Drones classified as Category 1 must weigh less than 249 grams, include propeller shielding, and feature built-in remote ID for flight tracking. If the Mini 5 Pro meets these criteria, it could unlock new flying opportunities, such as legal flights over populated areas and gathering scenarios that previously required special permissions. This would be a monumental shift for drone operators looking to capture footage in urban spaces, events, and other restricted zones without complex approval processes. Regulation-ready, built-in remote ID, and obstacle avoidance as global drone regulations evolve. Manufacturers must adapt, and DJI appears to be fully embracing this shift with the Mini 5 Pro. It is expected to feature integrated remote ID capabilities to comply with updated flight tracking laws in the US and Europe. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing using a combination of visual sensors and laser-based detection for comprehensive coverage. This all-directional system represents a major improvement over the previous Mini models, aligning the Mini 5 Pro with DJI's more advanced drone lines. When it comes to intelligent flight safety, additional safety and flight features could include high-precision return-to-home functionality, smarter subject tracking with improved collision avoidance, superior stability when navigating tight, complex spaces. These enhancements would make the Mini 5 Pro one of the safest, smartest lightweight drones available, a major leap in battery performance. Battery life has always been a key area of focus for drone pilots, and DJI seems to be pushing the limits with the Mini 5 Pro. According to leaked regulatory filings, the upcoming model could include a powerful 4680 mAh battery, a significant step up from its predecessor. This increased capacity may deliver flight times of up to 50 minutes per charge, which would be unprecedented for a drone in this weight class. Such extended flight times could offer longer aerial sessions without frequent battery changes, the ability to capture complex shots in a single flight, greater range and more flexibility during multi-location shoots. Additionally, the drone's maximum transmission distance is rumored to reach an impressive 15.5 miles, powered by DJI's newest AccuSync technology. This would provide pilots with both long-range control and reliable video transmission. Imaging excellence. Next level camera capability. While detailed camera specifications are still under wraps, early indicators suggest DJI is taking the Mini 5 Pro's imaging to a much higher level. Expected camera improvements include a significantly larger image sensor, potentially a 1-inch sensor, a considerable upgrade over earlier Mini cameras, better low-light performance, and wider dynamic range for capturing more detail in challenging lighting conditions. Support for 10-bit color profiles, which is essential for creators who want to fine-tune color grading during post-production. Possibly a new vertical shooting mode specifically optimized for social media content. This combination of features could make the Mini 5 Pro the perfect tool for creators who need professional grade results in a highly portable form. Ideal use cases may include travel enthusiasts wanting a lightweight but powerful camera drone, content creators who prioritize image quality without the need for bulky equipment, aerial photographers and videographers seeking advanced capabilities in a drone that remains under key regulatory weight limits. Intelligent flight. Smarter than ever before, the upcoming Mini 5 Pro isn't just about hardware upgrades, it's also expected to introduce new AI-driven flight modes that make advanced drone operation more accessible. Potential intelligent features include enhanced subject tracking with DJI's latest active track technology, improved master shots modes that automatically generate cinematic sequences, expanded waypoint navigation options for plotting complex flight routes, new gesture-based controls, and possibly fresh eye-assisted shooting modes. These improvements would make the Mini 5 Pro not only a more capable drone for experienced pilots, but also an incredibly user-friendly option for newcomers wanting to create professional-looking footage with minimal manual control. Final thoughts: a drone that could lead the market based on the available information and the direction DJI seems to be heading. The Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a major turning point in the world of compact drones. It combines regulatory compliance, pro-level imaging, enhanced safety, and longer flight times in a single lightweight package. If DJI follows its usual timeline, we could see an official teaser toward the end of July 2025, setting the stage for what could be one of the most exciting drone launches in recent memory.